how I build a subscription product with AI. It's a product, it's a WordPress plugin. I got sick of doing freelancing, offering my time for money, being in the service business. It's not working for me anymore. So I wanted to quit freelance to start a real business, selling a product. Since my desire is to be flexible, I could not sell a physical product. It must be something digital. No inventory, no returns, no shipping. Build once, sell over and over again. But I didn't want to be a superficial digital product, like a template or a PDF. I wanted to be something that solves a real problem. A piece of software that you install on your e-commerce store and will reveal the truth about why your store isn't selling enough. You can work as much as you have time, and that's the maximum you can generate revenue. But a product can be multiplied without having to work for each product. Each set of skills dictates what product to sell. My skills are graphic design, web development, AI with vibe coding, marketing and advertising, automation and problem solving. I have experience working with entrepreneurs that struggle with online sales, and usually I could point the problem by looking at the numbers, but I did not have enough information in the website to take a fast conclusion. That's where my product fits in. We'll reveal this mystery in a couple of days. Start with a problem. I heard endless times the same issue from clients. We need more sales, but I can't solve the sales problem for all, but I can solve it one business type at a time. And there are just three: service business, product business, and digital products. The others are just variations from these three. So I picked products, since I spend a lot of time with WordPress and WooCommerce websites. It should solve a real pain point. I don't have enough sales. E-commerce websites don't sell enough because they guess and try to fix from ads and blind test on the website. The problem with building a digital product, a software, is that I don't know how to code. But you know who does? AI knows how to code better and faster than a developer's team. Okay, maybe not better than a developer's team, but since I don't have a developer's team, this is my best option. So how to build a digital product with AI? After knowing what to build, now you need to know how to build it. What you need to have: VS Code, that's the code editor software, OpenAI, which is basically ChatGPT, and a PC to run everything. I had the big idea, the big picture, and I brainstormed with ChatGPT to make a feature list. What we keep, what we remove from the list. You can use this ChatGPT to brainstorm and to have the big picture of the features you want to include. You can use this prompt. It's not very advanced, but it will work. After I finish the feature list, I ask to make instructions for the Codex to build it. This is the prompt structure that I used for ChatGPT now to create the master prompt for Codex to build it with VS Code. And it did. It built a long prompt with details and instructions for the Codex. One mention: you need to have a paid subscription to OpenAI to use this. Now the fun begins. I installed the plugin on a test website. I used the plugin and it was a back and forth for almost 6 weeks until we got something good enough. Now I'm in the point where I need to start the selling. As I said, it took me 6 weeks back and forth with it to develop more features, to fix bugs, copy-paste files. But here is how I will do it faster. 1. I learned that I don't have to manually copy the updated files. There's a plugin that after configuration on just save will auto-upload the updated files. Then, before starting to develop, I will refine the feature list. I will cut more features. I will have in mind the ideal client and how he will use it. I will remove unnecessary features, keep only what adds value. I'll do the QA testing at the start of the day, before developing new features. At the end of the day, I'm tired and I lose about 2 hours just to fix stuff. And you need to know when to say enough, because if you stay only in developing the app, you're not selling. And without sales, there's no money. No money, no business. So now I said enough. I finished developing, fixing more bugs, Now I need to do the funnel for selling the digital product. But we'll talk about sales funnels in the next video and we'll see where it goes. What do you want to see in the next video? Comment below if you want a deep dive into the technicals or how to sell a digital product. Comment 1 or 2.